Hello, fellow YouTubers, and I'm eating cupcakes. Where's Christine? That's Christine. Christine, watch my She's eating turkey. Watch my food. I'm gonna go brag about my cupcake.
About yourself.
What?
You weren't even showing yourself. You were showing me.
Oh, I feel stupid. Look at the cupcakes. Be jealous. Very, very jealous. And potatoes! But mostly the cupcakes.
Do you have a YouTube? Yes. What's your account name?
I'm not saying it.
What's your account name?
I'm not telling you. You could look at my videos.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
What?
I'm gonna do that.
Do what?
Look at the videos. I wanna see what they are.
No! You can't see my videos.
I'm gonna lick each cupcake until you tell me.
You monster. Hello Kitty 701.
Are you lying to me?
No.
Because if you are, number one, I'll lick it.
I don't even know if I got
I don't even know what I'm licking.
Ew, shush it! Ew! Ew!
I'm just doing the cupcake too now. I can't get it. The bottom. It's so horrible without frosting. Hold on.
Here you go. Put it back up. Hey, look, it's Chelsea. So yeah, I just made that video. I just made that video to brag about my cupcakes and their confetti cake, and they had chocolate frosting on them. Okay, well, in your face, Neil. Bye.